Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are doing a nighttime skincare routine. Now before we start, I really want to talk about my skin type and a term called skin cycling. Now the skin cycling is something that I've named it myself. I don't know if it's a really term or not. Basically, skin cycling is using different products so that your skin barrier doesn't get compromised. To simplify it, I use lot of actives because of different skin issues. Like I have bumps, I have pores, I have acne prone skin. For all of that I have to use active. Only active I probably use is retinol. So retinol and no, salicylic acid as well. These two actives, retinol and salicylic acid, these two actives are something जो कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा use करती हूँ. Now my skincare isn't something really fancy. I just use products जो really help me, इनसे मेरी skin better होती है. I just use only that. I don't really have बहुत ज़्यादा products वाला skincare. I just use 5 to 6 products, वो भी skin cycling के हिसाब से. First thing is micellar water. Micellar water really helps in double cleansing. You know, it'll get rid of all the makeup you have, all the impurities and all the like sunscreen और जो भी skincare products हैं उनको निकालने में help करता है. So make sure to double cleanse. This is really what helps me. I use this Garnier का oil infused वाला and I'm thinking to switch to cleansing oils. I've heard that DHC cleansing oil is really good for sensitive skin and it also helps with blackheads. I'm gonna switch to it soon, but for now I use this and it works really well on my skin. Just take it in cotton pad and gently swipe it all over my skin. Also don't be harsh on your skin because your skin barrier will get compromised and it'll just extra exfoliate and your skin will get irritated. So now we're done with the cleansing. Now we are gonna go in with face wash, and for that I have two options. Like I use two. One is Cipla Salicylic Acid Foaming Face Wash, and this was recommended to me by my dermat and it is a really good cleanser. This is what I use on days when I feel like ज़्यादा bumps हो रहे skin पे. And the second is I use this biocules Aqua Boost Hydrating Cleanser. For this video I'm going to use this Cipla Salicylic Acid Face Wash. It says that you have to keep it on your skin for 1 to 2 minutes to work it properly, so that's what I do. I'm gonna keep it for 1 to 2 minutes and then I will rinse it off. Now the third step is toner, and I cannot stop talking about Tony Moly's Mochi Ceramide toner. Like it is really good toner, really good toner. It has ceramides and it's a huge bottle, but मेरी bottle जल्दी ख़त्म हो रही है because I share it with my sister and my mom and it is so good. This is the toner that has really worked on my skin really well and it is out of stock everywhere, like everywhere. I really want it to come back to stock so that मैं इसको stock up कर लूँ because I don't really want to run out of it. It has helped me strengthen my skin barrier. It soothes and hydrates my skin and my skin really gets plump and glowy after I use this. There is a reason why this is sold out. I just really want it to come back to stock. I hope it really does. I just pat it into my skin using my palms. I use under eye cream from Biocule. It helps me depuffs my under eyes. It also lifts and firms and fades dark circles. It has this silky and smooth texture and it is really lightweight, so I'm loving using it. Even my mom loves using this cream because it helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It has peptides that are sourced from green tea and Biden pilosa. Also it has proanthocyanidin and phytol, which are really great for skin health. It is suitable for all skin types. Now the next product that I use is this retinol. It is from reequil and it is in 0.1%. This is a really good product if you want your skin to, you know, just smoothen out, to shrink your pores. If you want to make your skin texture smoother, your pores chote, and you know, just if you have acne prone skin, this will help you control all that. Retinol controls oil production, it reduces breakouts. It is really good for acne prone and oily skin. It increases cell turnover and that is why our skin gets smoother and tighter. It also boosts collagen production. So this one is a must if you want to incorporate an active but obviously depends what you are looking for. Retinol really helped me to reduce the appearance of these pores and bumps. अभी थोड़े से bumps आ रहे हैं because my dermat has also suggested me tretinoin, that is the like it is more potent than retinol and it works really fast, like really fast, because it is already in its active form. And retinol आपकी स्किन में जाके एक्टिव होता है, बट जो ट्रिटिनॉइन होता है वो ऑलरेडी एक्टिव होता है, तो वो यूज़ करके माई स्किन हैज़ रिएक्टेड एंड माई स्किन इज़ पर्जिंग, सो दैट इज़ वाई यू आर सीइंग दीज लिटिल बम्प्स. कल तक ये क्लियर थे, मैंने कल ही ट्रिटिनॉइन यूज़ किया और फिर ये हो गया मेरे साथ, बट इट्स ओके. इट विल टेक टाइम फॉर माई स्किन टू गेट लाइक यूज टू ट्रिटिनॉइन. अगर आप पहली बार रेटिनॉल यूज़ करोगे ना, योर स्किन विल गेट लाइक पर्जिंग होगी आपको. पर्जिंग मीन्स कि यू विल गेट the acne all over your skin because skin will take time to get used to the product. If you remember, I talked about skin cycling, right? So whenever my skin feels slightly irritated or extra sensitive, I use this biocule restore night recovery oil. I've just started using it and it is really good for sensitive skin, and its texture is velvety. It repairs and restores your skin barrier, improving skin elasticity. Your skin will feel moisturized and nourished because it contains natural ingredients like purity and hemp, which help in providing that youthful glow and also fills visible lines and improves skin elasticity. So you can definitely recommend it to your mom as well, because my mom is using this. It is really lightweight and gets absorbed easily, so it can be used on all skin types. Also, please do a patch test before you use any of the products that I'm using. For the moisturizer, I use Derma Co's 3% vitamin E moisturizer. I've switched to this one because अभी सर्दियाँ चली गई हैं, and if I continue using my पहला वाला moisturizer जो कि Cetaphil moisturizing lotion था, it gets really heavy on my skin. It is a really good moisturizer if you don't want heavy moisturizer and your skin gets oily. I apply a good layer of moisturizer after retinol. Lastly, I'm going to use Vaseline for my lip care because I ran out of my favorite lip balm, and it was the Derma Co Kojic Acid lip balm. I've ordered it, but until it arrives I'm just using Vaseline. So yeah, that is basically all about my skincare routine. I've linked all the products down below, so don't forget to check the description. That is all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. If you have any recommendation, feel free to recommend me what kind of video you want to watch in future. And also I have a really great haul coming for you guys, like really cute makeup. I'm sure you guys gonna love it, so wait for my next video. I'm so excited about it. Oh my god, I just got call. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I just got my parcel and I'm so happy and so excited. मैं बहुत दिनों से वेट कर रही थी इस पार्सल का और ये फाइनली आ गया है. I'm really excited to show you क्योंकि इसमें बहुत क्यूट स्टफ है, लाइक बहुत क्यूट स्टफ. सी आई एम सो एक्साइटेड एंड मुझ में पेशेंस नहीं है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू अनबॉक्स इट एंड गोना गिव यू अ प्रीव्यू कि नेक्स्ट हॉल में क्या आएगा. व्हाट डू यू ऑल थिंक? Look at this hard packaging. This is so cute. Should I open one? Cute. This is so pretty. Oh my god, this is just so cute. I can't stop staring at it. Look at these shades and all these glitters. If you want to see proper haul, then subscribe to my channel. This is the glitter, you guys. Look at this glitter. This is so cute. This is so pretty. It also has this highlighter. Okay, these products are so pretty. So I guess this was it for the haul. Sorry, the video. I'll see you in the next haul. Hope you all are also excited. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.